Hello together. This video explains you how to assign an IP address to our CPX API Ethernet IP device via the DHCP client mechanism. What you're seeing here is my CPX API Ethernet IP system. Here you're seeing our node actual. You see the TP1 LED is flashing and the network status LED is also flashing green. At the moment, this system has no IP address. If we have a closer look on the manual, then we recognize that the factory setting of the system is always DHCP. This is the factory setting, and based on this setting, at the beginning, our node has no IP address. To assign an IP address, you need a DHCP server. A DHCP server you can have in a managed switch, or you can also use a software for testing purpose called bootp-dhcp. If you use this software from Rockwell Automation, then it would be possible to assign an IP address via the DHCP mechanism. I've downloaded the software already, and you see here it is running, and what you are recognizing here is a MAC available, which is a Festo MAC address. This you are recognizing here on this first 3 octets. That's the Festo MAC. And if I make here a double click, then I can assign an IP address. You see now the IP address is appearing here, and after a few seconds, the software here assigns the IP address directly to my node. Now I have received the IP address, and the node is also available in the net. I can use, for example, the possibility to ping the node. See, the node is available. Also, I can go to the web server now, and I'm recognizing the system. With this mechanism, we have assigned the node an IP address via the DHCP mechanism. The advantage is you have, for example, a DHCP server in your system, which is handling all the IP address of your Ethernet IP devices. The disadvantage is if I make a power off on, the node gets only an IP address again if the DHCP server is running. Otherwise, it will wake up again with the address 000. If you want to have a fixed IP address, then it is also possible to use this kind of software. You see here the node, just right mouse and disable bootp would create a fixed IP address. You see here now, we are making the scan. Here is my node. I have done now a fixed IP address. I am closing here the system. And if I'm making now a power off on of the system, the IP address is fixed and will stay. I hope this video helps you to recognize how to assign an IP address via DHCP server. And I wish you a nice day. See you next time. Bye.